Hi guys, Shaun from Optic here today. Today you can see we've got the range of US Optics Riflescopes currently available. We've got the 1 to 6 coming in soon, but that should be in around June 18. So we've got the 1.8 to 10 by 42, the 5-25 B25 and the 3.2 to 17. I'm going to fire off some great features for each optic, as you can see from the rest of the video. So guys, like I said, I was going to move from the right through to the left. However, I thought it's probably actually easier starting, well, actually summarising what features all these scopes have. So if we go, basically we've got a 34mm tube on each of them. You end up with 28mm of internal adjustment on the 1.8 to 10, 22mm of internal adjustment for the 5-25, and 24mm of internal adjustment for the 3.2 to 17. All of them have an EK2 Stop, they have a revolution counter, they have a lock-in turret system on the elevation and the windage, slightly different. Windage is pull out and push back in. On the elevation you have this little collar here, which basically push up, pull down, simple as that. And then you have, which is new to the B series, the Bravo series of US Optics, moving on from the series which is the E25s. We've actually now got illumination, digital illumination, which is located on the side parallax knob. So that's sort of like a quick summary of the main features of the range of US Optics. As I forgot to mention, these are actually all first focal plane, so any magnification, the reticle subtensions remain consistent, they're constant, so it helps really with holdovers, hold-offs, hold-unders, etc. So if we actually move them from the right over to the left, just quickly summarising, here we have the 1.8 to 10 by 42, 42 being the objective size. It starts from 1.8 and it has a versatile mag right up to 10, which, to be honest, as a close quarter sight, which a lot of special forces units use over in the States, this is absolutely brilliant. You've also got the versatile magnification range of 10, and you pair that with a first focal plane reticule and a series of rets, you've really got a versatile optic, which, to be honest, you can push it out to 600 yards with no problem. It has a 34mm main tube and comes with 28mm of internal adjustment. If we move then on to the one which people probably will choose mostly, you're looking at the 5-25 B25. So the 5-25 used to be a 5-25 by 58. It's now actually changed now to a 5-25 by 52. US Optics did a lot of messing around with the size of the objective, but they basically came down to, after a series of testing, really with real life shooters, they found the 52 gave the best colour and the best image when paired with the 34mm tube. In this one, the 5-25, it comes with a 34mm main tube again, which is common throughout the rest of the range, but it gives you 22mm of internal adjustment, so slightly less, and I think it's about 10 left and 10 right in terms of windage. Again, you've got the option of Horus technology, Horus reticules in the 5-25. You've also got the MGR, which is comes with a 0.1mm rad click, IPR I think, and you've got the IGR, and with that you come with shooter's MOA as your click value. That summarises the 5-25. As I said, this is sort of, they all have the same features but slightly different. Quickly bouncing onto this, what's in my head, you've got 30 yards parallax on the 1.8 to 10, you've got down to 75 on the 5-25, and then as we move swiftly on to the 3.2 to 17, again 34mm tube. With that 34mm tube you get 24mm of internal adjustment, so slightly more. Windage and windage adjustment in terms of left and right is you've got 12mm. So with that 12mm, that's plenty enough in terms of left and right for encountering any type of strong winds. With this, I think the 3.2 to 17 really has its own little niche market. You're talking about A real versatile optic, again, first focal plane. Series of reticules available as common throughout the rest of the range, and with this is a great unit, really, I would say, for the field use. You've got foxing in there, you could use it for deer stalking, and really you can whack it onto your 308, your 6.5 Creedmoor, and really push it out. You're talking, it's got the capabilities of hitting 1400 yards depending on your like of magnification. So there you have it, guys. That was the range of US Optics rifle scopes and a quick fire review. If you want any further information on the range, give us a call, drop us an email, and if you like the videos, remember, subscribe to the channel and we'll make sure they keep coming. This is Shaun from Optics Warehouse, clocking off.